My name is Minmay Chakraborty. I am working as a electronics vocational trainer at Chowrangi High School. My training provider name is Orion Edutech Private Limited. Today we will discuss about maintain health and safety. So let's start. When we discuss about health and safety, another issue that comes to our mind that is called hazard. At first, you should try to know about hazard. So, what is hazard? A hazard is any agent that can cause harm or damage to humans, property or the environment. In a word, we can say hazard mean danger or risks. If we become technician in the future, then we need to be fully aware of the workplace hazard. Technician must first recognize their workplace hazard. So, workplace hazard is something that can have potential to harm the technician. So, technician should be aware of hazard. Many of the hazard can be avoided by being aware and taking appropriate precautions. Now we will discuss the hazards of installing a water purifier. Usually we see four types of hazards. One is accident hazards, second is physical hazards, third is physiological, physiosocial and organizational factors, and fourth is chemical hazards. We will discuss first about accident hazards. Then we will look at some of the reasons why accident hazard happens. We will understand the hazards through some pictures. Reason number one is if floors made wet and slippery during the handling of water, then accident hazard could happen. Falls from ladder due to mountaining the water purifier at height. Electric shock caused by contact with live wires or defective electrical installations. Sudden release of toxic material as a result of an accident. So, usually accidental hazard could happen for these types of reason. We move on to our next topic called physical hazards. Then we will look at some of the reasons why physical hazards happens. Usually such incidents occur in a noisy environment. Second is excessive hot or cold weather can cause a technician's brain stroke. Third is ultraviolet radiation may damage eyes and skin. So usually physical hazards could happen for these types of reasons. We move on to our third topic called physiological, physiosocial and organizational factors. Then we will look at some of the reasons why these types of hazards happens. A lot of the time cleaning can cause hazards. Heavy and bulky equipment may affect various systems of the body. Constant need of high skill levels may occur physiological problems. We move on to our last topic called chemical hazards. If a person has been exposed to chemical hazards, some of the symptoms may occur like chemical burns, itchy burning eyes, headaches, and fever. So we always have to pay attention to the above issues to avoid hazards in the workplace. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.